Testing, testing. Um, Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, my people. Good evening to all. Good morning to some other part of uh, the continent. Some of them are sleeping. I would say good night. Today, the message that I will have for our people is about the governor of Imo State. He dropped a message to all advising the Igbo people that they should stop investing, as he quote in his own tongue, in a foreign land. I will only add something in the sense that, yeah, advising your people not to invest in other part of Nigeria, that they should start coming back home. I mean, to start investing in Eastern region. Rochas Okorocha. Yes, I am from Imo State. You are the governor of my state, Imo. You made a very powerful remarks, Mr. Governor. But what are you doing as a governor? Because there are things you will start doing, to my own best knowledge, that will attract people, businesses, investment from other part of the state. As a governor, I believe that you know the reason why our business elites in Eastern region moved all their businesses back to Lagos, Abuja, and Kaduna. You were there when the Nigerian government were tightening the whole screw that would deprive any investment to flow back to Eastern region. How many years have you been in that office as a governor of the state? I believe quite long. What are you doing to promote business in Imo State? There is no road, there is no electricity. It's only in Imo State. I don't know, maybe other part of it. The experience I have is it's in Imo State that people will be paying NEPA bill every month, but there is no electricity. If you want business to come back, if it's your dream, if you have your people in mind, you know what to do. You are calling them to leave Lagos State and come back to East. Even those that in the Eastern region, in Imo State, that voted you into power, most of them are carpenters, most of them are mechanics. But after you win your second term in that governorship, you forgot that carpenters were among those that voted you in. And you want to share lockers in the whole schools in Imo State. Did you open a council or create something in the sense that let every carpenter come over there, even though it's too local that you developed? we will pay you and it will be a contribution into the state. Did you tell them such a thing? No. What you did, you rushed to China and imported lockers. Can people hear me? After election, he, the governor, that is calling on people that have already established or the state where they are in Nigeria, have laid red carpet for them to relax very well, that they should come out from there to face you in that hellfire that you are forming confusion in Imo State. Common locker that schools need, you did not tax the carpenters in Imo State to come out with a powerful idea to develop the locker that will serve the whole students. No, you run to China and import it. Whose money do you want them to take to come and invest in Imo State? If you, the money you are gaining, you are generating from the people's head, you are not even trying to find a little room to give them, even though it's 0.0005% of the whole total billion that you make in their head. Just tell them to build lockers. Let it be made in Imo State locker. I can see in Abia State, the governor of Abia State have stopped importing containers that they are using to pack dustbins. Now he taxed all the welders in their state to come out with plan. And they have started developing indigenous made dustbin containers. Today, it will look ugly. Tomorrow, it will look more better. But for you, agriculture, you want to promote agriculture in Imo State. Did you throw it open? Ask if there is any Igbo man who want to invest into agriculture, that you need them, you give them land and everything. No. You run this to the same China. Invite China to come and invest in Imo State on agriculture. And you were planning all these things. You did not go to Radio IBC Owerri, ask them to grant you a room for you to address your state. Tell them the wonderful plan you have for them. No, you went to northern Nigeria, to Hausa channel that doesn't even speak English nor any other language. They speak everything. They interviewed you, governor of Imo State, Igbo land, in Hausa language. In Hausa language, Rochas Okorocha, you dictated what you are going to do in Eastern region, what you want to develop in your state, the plans you have with the Chinese and everything. Rochas, no ordinary human being on the street of Imo State will understand the language you are speaking. You did not allow them, you did not grant them interview. You did not even call them to come to your office, you want to inform your state the new project you want to bring in. Today, I was reading where you are telling people that you have forgiven all the Igbo people that are calling you Hausa man. Nobody calls you Hausa. You made yourself an Hausa man. You label yourself, Rochas Okorocha. I don't know you in person. But since I have started this Mirror African television, the people that knows you, the people that you grow up with in the northern Nigeria, we have spoken together. And they made us to understand that when you were growing young with them, when you guys are still young, that any position that comes out in any club you guys are in, you will go against Igbo man to be the leader of that organization. You will support Hausa to take it. Automatically, they made you. You made yourself what people call you today. I don't need to ask which area did you come from. For me to see that interview you granted to an Hausa speaking radio station, television station, there you are telling the Imo State people the plan you have for them. Oh my God, Rochas, Stop fooling yourself. Let me put it that way. I don't want to molest you or insult you, but the first time you come out as a governor, I was behind you. I gave you names, I gave you titles. I write to you by that time on Facebook. Even I advise you, I am the one that sent you a letter the day you have a birthday on your inbox, that I made you to understand that all this young generation, young, new developed, young brain governors, how can't you guys beat Mbakwe legacy in Imo State by doing more than Mbakwe did? Mbakwe was the governor of Imo State, old Imo, including Abia, all together. When you go to Umuahia today, you will hear that this is Nnamdi Okpara, blah, 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 developed by Mbakwe. If you go to Aba, you will see this is every gutter, every road in Aba running today is in Mbakwe's project. Rochas Okorocha was in Imo State, where they are developing road from right to left. They are not finished, while the ones that they have done the other side have started spoiling. I even see the what would I call it? I will call it suicide flyover that you try to build in Owerri. That the day I wanted to went to airport, I was there, water covered everywhere. Who are your architects? You are destroying the land of the poor people in the name of siphoning money, telling them now to move their business back to East. Everybody wants our people to come back to East. Everybody wants our people to start investing in our own territory. But when they look back and see criminals like you guys, nobody will bring his 5 kobo to that place. There is no security. There is no interest. You guys leading that state has no interest to develop that area. What will I add? What will I remove? I cannot add anything, because you made yourself whatever you are today. And I don't think that a common man on the street will bring out his money to invest. It's not possible, Mr. Governor. You can call the Igbos from today to next week, nobody will answer you. Because your legacy that you are living in Imo State doesn't worth it for somebody to use his hard-earned money to come to East and invest. The one that you will add something tomorrow to start taxing them and siphoning their money, Rochas Okorocha. You open your mouth to call on Igbos that they should bring their business back to East. And Nwafi Igbo, son of the soil, is being arrested by Nigerian government on the ground of treason, which you self knows that is not true. Nnamdi Kanu, yes, insulted everybody from Yoruba to Hausa to Igbo land, to every corner. But it is a very shameful thing, a very big shameful thing, that look at the whole eastern region. It's only Fayose, a Yoruba independent governor, that have turned his state to become independent state in Nigeria, is the one standing behind rule of law. Rule of law. Fayose standing behind the Nnamdi Kanu will tell Nigeria this matter is no longer the matter of Igbos, nor the matter of Biafrans. The matter of Nnamdi Kanu is the matter of the whole Nigeria. Because Hausa cattle area does start whatever they want to practice in Nigeria, they will start it where Igbos are. And at the end of the day, it will spread all over Nigeria. It is only Fayose that understand that Igbos, Nigeria is breathing today, is these people. After giving them 20 pounds after the war, they still came back and dominated the whole Nigeria, even the whole entire Africa and beyond. You are there calling Igbos with your tongue. Are you an Igbo man, Rochas Okorocha? If I may ask you, Rochas Okorocha, you are not an Igbo man. I don't know you. I'm not insulting you. But the things that I'm following behind, that you are leaving behind, made me to understand either your mother is an Igbo woman and your father is from Hausa. One of the two, one of them must be correct. Because you want Chinese to come and invest in Imo State. Rochas Okorocha, you did not go to the Imo State radio station and talk to your people that you are ruling. I have never seen you speak Igbo before, Rochas Okorocha. But the Hausa that I heard you, what you live, speaking in northern television station, talking on the project you want to do in Eastern region, Rochas Okorocha, you are not an Igbo man. I have never seen you speaking Igbo from beginning of your interview to the end. Rochas, you speak the whole Hausa without one cent of English entering it. Can you speak Igbo that way? You said that you have forgiven all the whole people that caused you Hausa man. You made yourself to be an Hausa man. Nobody made you Hausa. And you have never defended any Igbo thing in as far as Igbos are concerned. The people that knows you, that talks to me, they said, I grow up, they call you guy name. I have forgotten the guy name they call you. They mention the guy name they call you. If you hear it today, even you are right man, Igbo man, you the right man, you are right guy in the northern Nigeria. Do you know where he is? The one that you took over the position you're supposed to have in the Igbo Union you guys are doing in the north, and you give it to Hausa man. You supported Hausa to take over the position Igbo man supposed to have. They give me the whole story. I am not accusing you, and I'm not. But what I'm seeing in my own village, Rochas Okorocha, you only come and siphon people's money. You destroy the whole state. Rochas Okorocha, it is you who ask people to pay money, students to pay whatever for whatever, and you collected their money and nothing happened. And you ask people to register for a job that you want to create for them. Where is all those things? And you are calling businessmen now outside Igbo land to come back. Instead of these people should come, I'm an Imo State man. Instead of these people should come to Imo State, they should go to Port Harcourt, Calabar, all the rivers delta, they should go that area. You, as far as you are the governor of Imo State, you even there. I don't know why these guys are claiming hitman in Imo State are still allowing you to jump around and wangle your mouth anyhow. These guys know you are not. Look at Imo State. When I was growing up in that state, I do come to Owerri. I asked my senior one that time. I said, why is it that Owerri is too quiet like this? They say that Owerri is a government worker state. Government what? Workers state. And students. All the whole students in Imo State today, all of them, all the ladies are now harlots. Where somebody will be going to school and she will be feeding their family. Is it not harloting? Did you did anything to reduce the cost of education? Before the whole Nigeria, they knows Imo State as the flag of education board. Look at Imo State today. Primary school. Oh, where will I mention? University students is where anybody who come from abroad will go and park and pick girls hanging on the street. Are they not students? Or should I talk about your hotel that you develop and destroy Imo State Hotel? That you park all these girls that are studying in Imo State University, park in your hotel. You and your so-called chieftaincy title that you gave staffs that food there. A whole king of a village will enter the hotel and guests will remove their cap and call him baby, baby, baby. Rochas Okorocha. Which Igbos are you calling? Or should I mention the kingdoms, ancient kingdoms in Imo State that you have destroyed, dismantled, and went to northern Nigeria to worship the kingdom of northern Nigeria? The evil that men do will leave it with them. It can never live after you. You will stand alive and face judgment. You will be, I can remember the time of Ikenwachukwu them, when military were ruling Imo State. that a governor, military governor, will be sent to Imo State, and the governor will take special present to the king of Owerri. I have forgotten his name. That kingdom. They will visit them, visit all the large heads of Ezendes and them. They will visit all of them. I'm the new governor that have been posted to Imo State, and they will show respect. Rochas Okorocha, you entered into power, you dismantled all the whole kingdoms in Imo State. You destroyed the whole cultural heritage. You destroyed the history of Imo State. And today, you are calling the Igbos to come back and bring their business to who? To you? God forbid bad thing. I'm using this moment now to tell all the listeners of this program, share this video. Any young youth that wants his future to be brighter tomorrow, never you support this guy, nor whoever Rochas supported. Even the one that he put into Senate from my own local government, Ituboma, who went and take the Abadaba leg that belongs to Ihite and gave it to Obo. Just like that. Because he dropped 200,000 naira fish inside water. He now opened a different route to Abadaba leg. And now it's Abadaba leg in Obo local government. Are you guys for real? Both Rochas. Are you? Who sent you? Which Awusa kingdom sent you to come and destroy our state for us? I say today you will never see peace. You will never see peace in your life. No place, no soil will secure your family, will save them. You will run helter-skelter. Everything that you have acquired in Imo State will evaporate. It will be evaporated, whether you like it or not. And the gods of Imo State will start tormenting you. They will never kill you, but you will be alive and reap everything you have sowed in Imo State. All the destruction you have done in Imo State will follow your family and the whole of your generation. And that tongue that you open to call on Igbos to come back to Imo State, I said, let your tongue be swallowed. You should swallow your tongue. Because it's you, Rochas Okorocha, that is helping all the Hausa kingdom to destroy the eastern region. You are their long hand in eastern region, Rochas Okorocha. No other governor, every other governor is under your shoe as far as you are concerned in eastern region. They are fighting to create a union like Arewa Group. They want to have Imo State, Eastern Region Governors Union. Rochas Okorocha, you are the one behind sabotaging whatever they want to do in Eastern Region. Are you for real? Who brought this guy from nowhere? Who are you? Where are you? Where did he come from? How did Imo State people, why can't you people research on whoever you want to post into power? You will only see money and your brain will start running helter-skelter. You will watch other advanced countries doing election. They will go into debate. Invite any person who wants to become Imo State governor to enter into debate with their opponent. Tell us what you want to do, how you want to do it, and we will examine everything and ask you whether you have win or not. Somebody who doesn't know his right and left, caretaker of somebody from the Northern Kingdom, just came into Imo State because they know that the heart of Eastern region is Imo. They send you to come and dismantle. But Rochas, I will promise you this. Now, you have pressed all the whole kingdoms and the Ichie them, all of them in Eastern region, in Imo State, to join APC. Is it going to help you? No. It won't help you. You will only try to persuade them to use money to buy them. How long? For how long? If you drop down that place, history will judge you. History will judge you, Rochas Okorocha. Opening your tongue, telling Igbos to stop developing Abuja, Kano, and Lagos. Since when? I thought that Obasanjo is your pali. I thought that Kaduna is your best friend. Or should I talk about Abuja, where you buy half of them with Imo State money? You yourself, which investment are you doing in Imo State that will warrant people to start helping you to invest? You are even afraid to invest in your own state that you are ruling. You are commander-in-chief in Imo, but you are afraid to put 5 naira. Or should I talk about the government workers in Imo State? How many years are you owing the teachers in Imo State? Rochas Okorocha. Or should I call pensioners that you have seized all their money? Where is their money, Rochas Okorocha? You are calling on business people who have suffered, that have suffered for many years to develop their businesses, to bring their money to ease so that you will use broom, that your APC broom, to sweep all of them together and carry it away. It will never happen to you. It will never happen in Imo State. And it will never work for you. That your plan to destroy Igbo land will never work, Rochas Okorocha. You will try, but you will never succeed. Those plans, Buhari today, Buhari is ruling Nigeria now. That's your friend that you help and put into power. You and Padambaka that said that good luck is bad luck. That God have revealed you people's eyes. That the Messiah of Nigeria is coming, that is Buhari. And he promised you people to change you, and they thought that he's talking about change. He's now ruling Nigeria from his own house. He cannot come out again. He's sick. Who is ruling that Nigeria? Rochas Okorocha. Fooling your people. Work against your own person. The man that came from Eastern region, even though he's bad, leave him there. I will be proud that somebody from Biafra land is ruling Nigeria. Even though he messed up. Now, Buhari is there. Igbo people that you are calling to come and invest in Eastern region, have you asked Nigeria where they keep the whole dollars that they're using to do their businesses? Have you asked Nigeria to open the whole seaport in Eastern region, Rochas Okorocha? Have you united yourself with other governors of Eastern region to make sure that Nigeria do things right, that the whole state have the right to develop their own electricity, their own road, their own pump water, their own telephone? Rochas Okorocha. Don't you travel abroad? Don't you go to United States? The states that you normally visit, are they being controlled by Pentagon? No. Nor Washington? No. They are independent of any part of their nation. Why don't you learn from that places? Those places that you do travel. You guys keep on colonizing and enslaving your people. Packing the money like as if there is no tomorrow. Promise the people that things will change. What will change when you, the governor of a state, even though in front of your own government house, it's like rubbish. When somebody is moving from Imo State to Port Harcourt, from what they call that area, immediately you enter Imo State, you will know that you have entered the coast area. No good road, nothing. Your motor will jump gallop until you enter your room. A whole governor. What are you doing with all these billions that Nigeria, allocations of billions Nigeria is giving Imo State every blessed month? Not years, every blessed month, the billions of naira that is coming in Rochas Okorocha. What are you doing with those money? Now it's no longer enough. It's for the people to come and develop in your area. I say, who is your father, Seth Rochas? Can you mention your classmates if you say that you are an Igbo man? I can be able to mention my classmates, my village guys that we grow up together to show that I'm son of the soil. Whom do you know? No. Can you speak Igbo from the first interview to the end without English? No. But you will speak Hausa. And you will throw proverbs in Hausa language, and Hausa man will marvel and say, who is this man? Please, I'm begging you, Rochas Okorocha, never you open that your tongue to call on Imo State or Igbo people to come and invest in your state. I am the one that wanted to bring, or that have a contact, the Italian man that wanted to come to Eastern Nigeria. He wanted to visit Nigeria to develop a solar manufacturing company. He's a professor in the university. His field is to develop solar panel. I am the one that called and they visited you, Rochas Okorocha. You are the one that acted them to tell me that the best place, location to do such a thing is in northern Nigeria. Governor of Imo State. And I said, if that thing will not happen in my own local government, Ihitoboma, let that company go. And that company goes. Yes, I am the one. I have your own file too. Maybe you think that I'm accusing you. This one happened to me. My local government chairman visited you. And that company did not enter Nigeria today. Evil men. That's all I have for you, my people. These guys are not for good. Never you follow them, never you like them. They don't like their people, they don't like you. They only like anything that knock his head on the ground. And if you go and hide camera in Rochas Okorocha's house, maybe this guy is also a Muslim. That's all I have for you now. Bye-bye. I remain blessed. God bless Umu Biafra. God bless Eastern region. God bless my people. Don't allow these people to maneuver you. Don't allow them to manipulate you. They are not for real. Bye for now.